Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. You're watching Queen Varieties channel. Variety is the spice of life, isn't it? Yes, in today's episode I'll be sharing with you a delightful, delicious, sumptuous okra pepper soup recipe. My people, this is so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share my video with your friends and loved ones. At the same time, feel free to turn on your bell notifications so that you will get instant alert whenever I upload any video. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you. Let's get right into it. What I'm preparing today is okra pepper soup, and already in the pot I have SHAKI cooking. So all you need to do is make sure your SHAKI is properly washed, cleansed, and then put it in here because that is the toughest meat to cook. Now what I'm going to place into the pot is some washed beef. After that, I will include some horse mackerel. You can use any mackerel of your choice. This is the species I eat. Scotch bonnet of green and yellow. The green and then the red color. I made a mistake to pronounce yellow. Salt and AROMAT. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. Remember that the spicing process is always the most important part of your dish, so don't joke with it. Now the secret ingredient is the pepper soup spices. You can feel free to use any pepper soup spice of your choice. Into this pot now, I'll add a tablespoon of pepper soup spice. As soon as that hits the pot, oh my goodness, the aroma just zoomed. Here, one onion. I'm going to dice it. For the spicing process, I'll be keeping it as simple as possible. You don't want to overdo it. For this recipe, I will not be using garlic, ginger, or those. I just want to feel the natural taste, flavor from this dish. That onion size is a very big one. I love onions so much. In fact, I cannot cook without onion. The pot and allow it to cook down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I don't have any water here. It's going to generate its own water. That's because I just washed my proteins. Okay, so 10 minutes later, the aroma is so beautiful. Now is to set out all the mackerel fishes. So this is what the pot is looking at this point in time. You want the beef to complete its cooking process. At the same time, you will need that liquid for the soup. Then give it a good mix. I will cover it and allow it to boil for extra 10 minutes before I'll add more ingredients to it. Exactly 10 minutes later, after cooking the proteins, now the proteins are 70% ready. Now to this pot now I'll add some BONGA fillets. You can add any smoked fish of your choice. Into here I'll pour in some palm oil. The palm oil will help to improve the appearance of the soup, but then it's also optional. But if you don't want to add that, you can just leave it out entirely. It's like a pepper soup we are making. To this I'll add my crayfish. Yes, that will help to boost it. More water. The quantity of water you add in your pot depends on how you want the soup to be. I want the soup to be very light in consistency. I don't want it to be thick, okay? Yes, it's not like the regular okra soup that we make. It to be just as you're seeing it right now, very beautiful, popping, and oh my goodness, guys, it smells so good. And the last but not the least, add some pepper soup spice. Remember, it's okra pepper soup I am making. Add more pepper soup spice. I'll mix it once again, cover it, and give it extra 10 good minutes to boil on the highest heat. You know, cooking your food, allow the heat to do the magic, okay? Yes, so once this pot boils exclusively well, I'll come back and add the vegetables, and that is it. Ahead to dice my okra. Now it's in the food processor. I just want to crush it down with the food processor. Extra 10 minutes later. So right now we are 30 minutes into this cooking process. What I'm going to do now is to bring in the fish. I want the fishes to adapt to the taste of the soup. Just before I bring in the okra, I'll drop in some salt. But once the okra comes into the pot, it's going to take some flavor out of it. You can use seasoning cubes. Be very careful. You can see how easy it is to put this soup together. I'll now bring in the okra. If you have UZIZA or TOZO, you can also add it, but unfortunately I don't have that. Just mix it. This is the consistency I'm going for. You don't want it to be too thick. The pot open, just give it 3 minutes to boil. After 3 minutes, we'll now add the last vegetables. I'm going to drop in the last layer of vegetable. I have here some bell pepper, onions and spinach. I have exactly 500 grams of spinach, 1 onion and 3 paprikas here. Okay, my people, so after 3 minutes, notice some traces of oil that is just coming on top. That means everything now is ready. Adding the vegetables is totally optional. You can go ahead and serve it like this without vegetables. It's ready. Okay, yes, so please feel free to use any swallow of your choice to go down with this. Turned off my heat because the heat from the soup is going to make it to wilt. You don't want to cook it extra. Everything is ready. So this is 10 minutes later after I've made the soup, and now you can notice that the oil has now appeared on the soup. Guys, now if you taste this soup, oh my goodness, the taste is so delicious. Notice how beautiful the oil has popped on the surface. Here we are going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, kindly like, subscribe to my channel. At the same time, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also remember to turn on that bell notification so that anytime I upload any video, you will get instant prompt notifications. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and loved. God bless you. And remember, that fufu video you're seeing right there on the screen is coming your way very soon. Stay subscribed. Have a wonderful time. Thank you. Bye.